Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this Gen-Y Torsion 2 ball mount with stacked receivers. Now this shock absorbing adjustable ball mount is going to slide into your 3-inch trailer hitch receiver, and it's going to give you 6 stacked 2.5-inch receivers, so you can hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle with the included 2-inch or 2 5/16" hitch balls, and you can also tow a trailer that has a lunette ring using it on the 2 5/16" hitch ball paired with the included pintle lock. So let me give you a brief demonstration of that lock, that pintle lock. So I have this set at my 2 5/16" hitch ball, and so you would just simply slide your ring over the 2 5/16" ball, and then remove the pin here. I've got my pintle lock in the stowed position, and I'm just going to slide it out there just like that, and then that's going to allow you to use your lunette ring here, and it's going to be secured on that hitch ball. So it's going to be very simple to retrieve that pintle lock, and then when you don't need it anymore, you can just push it in just like that and replace the pin and clip, and it'll be in that stowed position. Now this pintle lock can adjust heights with this ball, so if you move your ball down here, you can just move your pintle lock down with it. So it's adjustable just like our ball attachment. So the 6 stacked 2.5-inch receivers are obviously going to let you easily adjust the height of the included ball mount or any other accessory you choose to use, so you can tow trailers of different heights. And it's going to be very easy to adjust this ball as well. Again, you're just going to remove the clip and then remove the pin. And these pins are very easy to remove and replace. They slide without any hesitation at all. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the ball and turn it to the 2-inch ball and just slide it down here, and then line up my holes and then replace the clip. And that's going to be just how easy and simple this is going to be to use. And replace my clip, and we are good to go. By the way, these pin and clips are constructed of aluminum, and so that's going to give you rust-free and corrosion-free operation. They're going to hold up really well. The accessory pinhole diameter is 5/8 of an inch. Now this is going to give you a maximum drop in this position of 12 inches, and then you'll also get a maximum rise when you flip this over of 12 inches as well. And the gross towing weight with the 2-inch ball is 16,000 pounds, and the maximum tongue weight with the 2-inch ball is 1,500 pounds. And then the gross towing weight with the 2 5/16" hitch ball is 21,000 pounds, and the maximum tongue weight with the 2 5/16" hitch ball is 2,400 pounds. The optimal tongue weight when used with the 2 5/16" hitch ball is from 1,600 pounds to 2,400 pounds. And the reason for that range is because of our shock absorbing design system. Now, this shock absorbing design functions very similar to a torsion axle. And I have an example here of a cutaway here that I just kind of want to hold up here to give you an idea of what's going on the inside. Built into the Gen-Y mount are tubes with inner bars that are surrounded by rubber cords. And as the receivers rise or fall, these inner bars twist inside of the tubes, attempting to follow the motion of the vertical shank. But the rubber cords prevent the bars from twisting too far. And as each bar turns, these cords compress to absorb the shock. So what that means for you is that any shock experienced by your truck can be absorbed before it reaches your trailer, and the shock experienced by your trailer won't get transferred to your truck. So this type of shock absorption system is easy to maintain. You're just going to regularly apply grease to the built-in zerks. I want to give you an overhead look here, if I may, just to show you one of these zerks. You're going to have a grease zerk here on the top and the bottom, so you can easily apply the grease with your grease gun, whether you have this in the drop position as I have it now, or in the rise position. So very easy maintenance. There's not going to be any airbags to fill. You're not going to have to worry about airbags possibly bursting on you. No small parts to repair or replace. Basically, no hassle at all. Now, while we're here with the overhead look, I want to talk just real briefly about our pin weight scale. And again, we have a pin weight scale here in the drop position, and then on the other side when you have this in the rise position. This is going to help you make sure that the trailer weight is properly is balanced properly. The white mark that you can see right here is going to line up with the green portion of the sticker when it is properly balanced, so that you're not exceeding your tongue weight or don't have enough tongue weight. It's on the red because we don't have any weight on there, obviously. So having that tongue weight scale built in is going to give you a reference point to make sure that your trailer is loaded properly. Now this has a 5/8 of an inch in diameter and a 3/4 of an inch in diameter hitch pin holes. And the hitch pin and clip are not included with this, but you probably already have one for your hitch. But if not, we do have lots of options available here at etrailer.com. And I would recommend taking a look at locking pins, because this is really an investment that you are making purchasing an item like this. So make sure to check out the related products section on this product page for some locking pin options that we have, so you can make sure that you secure this investment on the back of your vehicle. Now, just some measurements here to help you get an idea of the size of this, and to help you be confident that this is going to work for you. From the center of the 5/8 of an inch pinhole to the center of our hitch balls, we are sitting right at about 15 3/4 inches. And then from the center of our 3/4 of an inch pinhole to the center of our hitch balls, we're sitting at about 17 1/4 inches. And the overall height, we're sitting at about 18 1/2 inches tall. Now this is made here in the USA of a very heavy duty steel construction with this fantastic zinc primer and epoxy powder coat that's going to resist rust and corrosion. This is going to hold up really well for you. Everything about this ball mount speaks of quality and attention to detail. As you might know, Gen-Y has a great reputation for building very solid, very robust products, and really this is no exception at all. By the way, I needed help getting this on the table. This weighs about 120 pounds, so just be aware that this is a very heavy product, and if you're not strong enough like me, you might need help actually sliding this into your 3-inch hitch. But everything about this really speaks to the heavy-duty nature of this product. This is SAE J684 certified, and that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.